Hi, what's going on, guys? In the past video I showed you how to make a fruit smoothie. Now I'm gonna show you how to add some ingredients to increase the calorie amount of the smoothie. And those ingredients are very high protein rich. We're gonna use some ingredients basics for calorie purpose and also beneficial for our health. Okay, so we're gonna use some oatmeal. You can grab a whole cup of oatmeal. We use also the other ingredients such as strawberry, banana, um, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and water. And to add flavor, as I said, you can either add milk or maple syrup. Okay, but here we are, and we're gonna add some oatmeal. Okay, a whole cup of oatmeal. That's 170. That's like almost 400 calories. I think it's 380 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so you're gonna pour it inside the blender. Okay, another ingredient you might want to add to your smoothie to add more protein, and that's 6 grand. I think it's 12 grand in total, because half of cup of oatmeal is 6 grams of protein, so 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, so that's good on that note. Okay, so now we're gonna add, for the calorie purpose, we're gonna add some coconut oil. This is what it looks like. This is virgin coconut oil. I'm gonna add, it's really hard, I just got it today. We're gonna add 1 spoon, 2 spoon, 3 spoon. Sometimes it might be the hard, sometimes it might be liquid, depending if it's cold or hot. But you can utilize 3 spoons of coconut oil. Either each spoon has 130 calories each, so that's gonna be helpful for the calorie amount. Okay, now we're gonna use some protein. For the protein part, we're gonna add some raw egg, maybe 1 whole raw egg. Eggs are very high in protein, so we're gonna use 1 whole egg. You can get eggs at any supermarket, local convenience store. Okay, so we're gonna crack the egg and we're gonna pour it inside our blender. What else do we need? We need another ingredient, which is pumpkin seeds. Okay, we're gonna grab the pumpkin seeds right over here, and we're gonna grab a whole piece, which is 9 grams of protein. This is 9 grams of protein, a whole piece. This is what it looks like, pumpkin seeds, and pour that in there. Eggs, I think if I'm not mistaken, 6 grams of protein. Okay, so you have plenty of protein there, so that will help you develop your muscles or increment your size if you're looking to gain any weight. Healthy is one of the healthiest methods for skinny guys to gain weight. Okay, so you're gonna give it a minute or like a minute and a half. Let's see how that goes. Hopefully you like this video, and if you have a friend that works out or somebody who's looking to gain weight, you can recommend this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, leave your comments down below. Thank you.